This is an emergency broadcast from the Major Explorer Group. This is not a test. Do not turn off your device. Please remain calm and listen carefully. This is not a test. Approximately 13 hours ago, electricity and power shut down completely in multiple levels. All remaining levels with power are expected to go offline in the next 24 hours. If you are located in one of these levels, please evacuate immediately. Level 0, Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Level 4, Level 17, Level 33, Level 40, Level 57. Hostile entity aggression has increased significantly in these levels as a result of power loss. All wanderers are advised to stay together and move in groups. It is recommended to find a battery-powered light source and a crude weapon, such as a bat or a plank. If you are located in a base or settlement, barricade all entrances and ration food and water. Do not